Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you into Huck's World, and yes, it's time to get back on the Monday grind. I know you don't want to, but we gotta do it. Don't worry about it. We keep it moving. Monday will be out of here in no time. With that, let's go ahead and kick this review off. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got some boss watch faces for you to check out that's going to help you get past and through your Monday grind. And we're going to get past Monday by hook or crook. Don't worry about it. We're going to do this. Now, looking at the watch face, the developer that created this watch face hasn't been on the channel in a while. His name is Nucleon, and Nucleon pretty much gets down on watch faces. He does a really good job, but what I like what he brought with him is an opportunity to see how we can change 12 hours to 24. I haven't seen that yet from a developer, which is pretty cool in my opinion. But with that, let's go ahead, let's check out this watch face, right? Now the name of this watch face is called Vantage Point. So if you look at the top, you get a moon phase, and if you come down, you get your settings. Now you get 9 shortcuts in all. So you get settings, you get your music, which I love my music. And right down here, of course, you get a digital time. You also get a PM stamp, animated seconds. You also get your weather, which is interactive. Also phone call you can make, text messages, and you get all your info in one place for your exercising activity. And it is also interactive. So you can tap in, go in, get more info on your status. Over here, this bar represents your battery life. Over here, this represents your goal completed. Now, I haven't been anywhere. Remember, I've been off for 2 days, and listen, it's been snowing, so no step info, right? We'll get right back on it tomorrow. Anyway, so this is a nice look. I'm liking the look. I like the background, and I thought it was a nice theme. Now, with that, if I double tap, I can change the color. Now, you see when I change the color of the hours, the bar changed. Now, I thought that was different because you would think it would be the same as, but it's not. But it changes as you change the color of the digital time. I thought this was a good look, people. What do you think? Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts, and let me know if you would download such a watch face. And with that, let's check out watch face number 2. Number 2, this one, I like this one. Now, don't sleep on it, you all. Don't sleep on it. The name of the watch face is called Glance Metallic Collection Basic 2. This one has a good look. Now, it's in black and white. Even in the always on mode, it looks pretty good. It just pretty much dimmed down, but I'm liking it. Now, what you get, I like the second hand. It has a red tip at the top, which gives it a little character. And of course, it's an analog watch face. Right here, you're gonna get information on your date. So if I tap right there, I can go into my calendar, set an event, looking at an event that I've set. And I'm thinking this is nice. If I double tap, I could go in and change the color of the watch face. And he has a lot of nice different colors that you can customize with for whatever color you're wearing for the day, or for whichever one is your favorite color. Just choose one. I thought it was nice. And if you tap on the weather, of course, you can go in and you can get your weather as well. Listen, people, I thought this watch face was unique. I thought it was a good look, and it is free in the Gear Manager store. So check it out. And with that, let's bring about a watch face number 3. Why not? Watch face number 3. This one, I had to bring you a fun watch face. The name of this one is called Skeleton Super Realistic Premium. It used to be paid, but now it's free. Now, the reason this one made the cut is simply because it stands out. If you look at it, it's an analog watch face. You got a second hand, you got some very unique long hands, and then if you look in the background, it is animated. I thought that was really cool, right? Now, being that it's an analog watch face, you can always tell time. I like that. But the good thing about this watch face, you all, is that it's interactive as well. So if I tap right here on the date, I can go in and set an event. And if I tap right here, double tap, I can get to my settings, which I thought was pretty cool. And if I tap right here, I can get the weather. So this is nice, right? And you have a moon phase right there. But check this out. That, it moves as the day goes by. So let's say it's early morning, you're going to see a sun, right? And then at night, you're going to see stars. This is nice. You got to check this one out. Again, it is free in the Gear Manager store. Check it out. Listen, I had fun doing this review. I hope you had fun watching it. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. Alright, you all, it's time to get on the Monday grind. Listen, just keep it moving. And with that, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.